is the Atlantic Ocean. Now in the ocean environment, the littoral zone is divided into the splash zone, the area that's periodically splashed by the high tides. Then we have the intertidal zone. Okay, this expanse of land, of sandy beach, that's periodically covered and exposed when the tide flows and ebbs. Then beyond the intertidal zone, we have the continental shelf. That is the area of the ocean that's covered by water permanently, but it's shallow. So from this shallow area down to the part of the ocean that's deep is said to be the continental shelf. Beyond the continental shelf, you have the continental slope. So as you can see, I'm walking on this shallow area. This is the continental shelf. Now this is the beach seine net. The net is dragged to the shore. Then the fishes can now be collected. It's usually used in beaches like this. The beach seine net is usually longer than the pole seine net. Usually both operators hold the stick and then they drag it from the river to shore, and then the fishes that are caught are then collected from the beach seine net. If you look at this net, there's some fish that are caught in the net. These are mainly mullets. This is the beach of the Atlantic Ocean. This is a fish landing in the Atlantic Ocean. Fish caught. They were caught with a shell net. This is another fish landing. They are selecting fish to catch at the airport. Gill nets were used to catch the fish from the Atlantic Ocean. Students. The fish nets, and these other marine crabs usually found only in the ocean. This is a hermit crab. It's caught. The hermit crab in the shell of the nose.
This little shark was also caught in the gill net in the Atlantic Ocean. And the sharks are cartilaginous fishes. That's their bones are made up of cartilage. They belong to the class Chondrichthyes, the subclass Elasmobranchi. They are characterized by the possession of heterocycled tail, a tail in which the upper side is longer than the lower side, and their fins are non-erectile. They are usually very rigid and not movable, and they also possess gill clefts and fish were also caught in the Atlantic Ocean, and it basically is a teleost. There's a remora. A remora is a fish that's usually attached to marine creatures like the shark. With its head, this suction head attaches to the fish, and it's for protection and for food.
Mimi, I bring my phone. You send me
Crabs.